Hello, so I am headed out to Thrift today. I'm starting in the men's section today, and guess what I already found? What? 250% off men's sweaters today. I'm in the right place. I'm just gonna stay here today. Remember the quarter zip I was talking about? I found one that's 100% cashmere. Ooh! This is a beautiful colored suit. I'm still looking for long slouchy pants, and I actually didn't check men's. I don't know if I love the fish gill pleats here, but I like the material. Is this the perfect teddy coat? Cute! Are the shoulders too big? After finding that jacket, that leather jacket, I feel like now I'm going straight towards jackets when I come in, just in case I find something good. But I think my favorite section of the thrift store is dresses. Because if you find something good, you have one full outfit that is so easy to put together. Like, not as good as the one I found. I knew I would hate wearing these shoes to go thrifting, but oh well. These are so cool. It's too bad they're too big, but the length is perfect. Why didn't I check men's sooner? In contrast, these are women's pants. Much tighter, maybe too tight for me. See how it doesn't quite work? Makes me look like I'm wearing snow pants. I think the theme of today's thrift is very menswear inspired, very oversized, and very comfortable. I did pick up a little girl's turtleneck because white turtleneck underneath things is very popular right now. Girls long sleeve top for $3.99. A collegiate sweater. And because York is so popular in Toronto, I don't know how well this is going to be received, but I liked the lettering, I liked the red, I liked the fit. This one was $6.99. And then I did get the men's pants. These were $9.99, and honestly, I'm not mad about the pleats. They're kind of okay. I only need to hem the pants a little bit, but I don't even think I'll put that much effort into it. The pants aren't lined, they're not great quality, so if it drags a little on the floor, I'm okay with that. And then because I'm constantly fighting Stefan with his hoodies, I finally got one that I thought I would give to him, but I'm probably going to wear it as well. Classic check print at the back. Quick shout out to a friend who was getting rid of all of his graphic t-shirts, and I saw this one. I remember watching this as a kid, Real Monsters. It was some twisted shit. So I know this is excessive, but they just fit so well. Just the oversized look is way better. So I'm keeping these two big ones. The two-piece was a bit pricier because you can tell that it's new. It's from Topshop, and it went for $17.99. I have the exact same belt, except you can't adjust the middle. So it's the length that it is because it's a belt that doesn't have buckles or holes. You just get what you get. But this one comes with adjusters. This is almost an impossible find because leather pieces and leather jackets, their fit is very distinct, and if you find a vintage piece, usually the cut, it's very boxy, it needs heavy alterations. They barely fit me. Ugh. Oh my god. And the leather is still so buttery. It's in such good condition.